Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids Zone. Today, we are diving into something super refreshing and energizing, the Mango Lime Caffeine Blend. Inside, we have described the contents, single-serve packets, a bottle, etc. Full stop. The packaging looks practical for on-the-go use, which is a big plus now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. I'm going to mix it up as per the instructions, show you mixing the drink, just add, mention any additional ingredients like water, ice, etc., and give it a good shake or stir. Wow, that's interesting. The mango flavor is really bold and juicy, and the lime adds a zesty kick. It's sweet but not too overpowering, and there's a nice balance between the fruitiness and the tanginess. Definitely refreshing. Let's talk about what's inside this blend. It's packed with natural caffeine, which is great for a sustained energy boost without the crash. The mango provides a good dose of vitamin C and C, while lime is known for its antioxidant properties. Plus, there are no artificial flavors or preservatives, which is always a win in my book. I've been sipping on this for a bit, and I can definitely feel the energy boost. It's not jittery at all. Just a nice, steady increase in alertness and focus. Perfect for a mid-morning slump or a pre-workout boost. Alright, time for some pros and cons. Pros: it's delicious, easy to prepare, and gives a great energy boost. Cons: mention any negatives you found, like price, availability, or taste preferences. But overall, I'd say it's definitely worth trying if you're looking for a natural and tasty energy drink. So, final thoughts on the Mango Lime Caffeine Blend. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to add a bit of zest and energy to their day. I'm giving it your rating out of 5. If you're into fruity flavors and need a caffeine kick, this could be your new go-to drink. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kids Zone for more tasty reviews and energy boosting tips. And if you've tried this blend, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.